A big hello and welcome to the Truckers Travel Show. My name's Mark. I'm a trucker in America. Lived in America for over 30 years, been trucking for the last 10. And when I travel around, I try to do interesting stuff, visit all these cool towns and places, so I'd like to share some of that with you. Today I am parked just east of Jackson, Wyoming, in a pullout about half a mile before town, and I will put a link in the description below to where this location is in case you're a trucker and you're passing through and you want to crash here for the night. I'm parked up at the National Elk Refuge pullout, which is about half a mile east of town. Let's give you a quick panoramic view. And as you can see, my truck is parked right there. As you can see, this is an absolutely spectacular and beautiful place to park up for the night. And Jackson itself is right at the bottom of that ski slope over there, and it's about 5 to 10 minutes walk. Oops, I didn't notice that, but I have parked here a few times and nobody's ever said anything to me. I'm carrying a couple of steel coils that I picked up in West Virginia a couple days ago, and I'm taking them over to Portland, Oregon. I've got my bike on the back, so I'm gonna go for a ride into town. Spoke to a guy yesterday who told me about a trail just on the other side of town, somewhere over here. That's where I'm headed. As you can see, I have my mountain bike strapped to the back of the truck on the Yakima rack. Very useful. I need your clothes, your boots, and your motorcycle. Feels so good to get out of the truck, go for a ride. Hopefully my video will inspire a few truck drivers. I'm right in the town square of Jackson Hole. I came in from down there, this road up here. It's not very far. The bike's right there. Here's a better view of the town square. They have this beautiful old-fashioned town square right in the middle of the town, where I'll take you for a walk around the town as well. Let's go for a little ride around. I don't know how legal this is, probably a hands-free town. Well, I am absolutely starving, so I'm going to go get a bite to eat before I hit up the trails. This looks like a good place to get some food. Well, they didn't quite have what I wanted for lunch, so I got myself some avocado oil chips, some strawberries and kiwi, a pro bar, superfood slam, banana and orange, and a superfood drink. Then I'm gonna hit the trails. Look at these beauties. Come and say hello. Don't touch this fence, it's gonna electrocute you. Okay? Can I touch you and say hi? Thank you for saying hello. See you later. I'm up the Cache Creek trailhead. Let's see what it says here. No cars, camping not permitted, dogs on leash. Food storage, grizzly bear country. Oh no. And according to the map, I am right here. I'm just gonna go for a leisurely ride down the side of the river here to that point and then just come back. I've gone about as far as I'm gonna go today. I gotta build my fitness back up. Just gonna show you where I stopped. See the Wyoming wilderness up there. And my bicycle's right there against the tree. Have a little drink and then head back. Let's look at this. It's real nice. So I found this little area to hang out. Look at this, there's people going for a nice ride on their horses. Goes down to this little creek down here. I'm trying to find a way to get down into the creek easily so I can go for a dip, clean myself up a little bit. This looks like as good a spot as any. Splash some water on myself, get going. Well, it doesn't get much better than this. Sat out in the wilderness with this old bench right here. Got my bike, gonna have myself a root beer. Cheers. Look at this. It's a wagon train. How cool is that? So on my way back now, I'll try to take some more video when I get into town. Hopefully I don't kill myself going down this hill. Woo! Whoa! Oh. Back on the road now.